Wait, that really happened? Oh, no, I thought it was just in the movie. Oh, no. Oh, no, why?
On this day in history.
January 13th, 1987. A man who murdered his wife and disposed of her body with a wood chipper is arrested. Pilot Richard Kraft's neighbors first suspected him when his wife, flight attendant Hella Crafts, disappeared, and his story kept changing. Police found credit card bills that showed he'd purchased new bedding, a freezer, and had rented a wood chipper. Later, a witness came forward who said he'd heard wood chippering by the river. When they examined the area, they found terrible things in the thawing snow. He was sentenced to 50 years in prison, but was released early for good behavior. Why? Because until tomorrow, and who am I? History, la da 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 dee.